Good morning. It's Wednesday, January 14th, day 65 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. Let's go get my pre-work morning walk-in. It's almost 40 degrees at 6 a.m., which is unheard of for January in Connecticut. So it's nice and mild. Let's go. So I just had a little frightening scare. I saw a shadowy figure and got me all nervous. Took me a few minutes to realize that it was my freaking shadow. But yeah, that's what happens when it's early in the morning and you're barely awake. You forget that it's yours. Let's keep going. The sky looks so awesome right now. It's only 6:35 in the morning and it's already lighting up with all the colors. And we're nowhere near sunrise, so it's a pretty start to the work day. Let's get this pre-work morning walk done. Lunch walk today. My coworker can't come today, so I'm solo. So normally I don't record my lunch. So I'm with my coworker, but today I'm all alone. A little bit of drizzly rain, but we're gonna get it done and keep on going. After work walk down at Anchor Beach, Wednesday, January 14th, day 65 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. I already have my 10,000, but I wanted to get in a little extra after work to keep in the habit of going on after work walks. But let's get this done. Very slight little breeze, as you can see by the flag, but it's still gorgeous down here at the beach. It's 43 degrees out at night in January in Connecticut. It's fantastic. Let's get this done. Day 65 on Wednesday, January 14th. Complete my after work walk. 19,385. Still kicking ass in January. See you all tomorrow. Bye.